Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare a very famous South Indian summer recipe, Jigarthanda. For this we need few almond gums. Soak this in water overnight. We need around 2 teaspoons of almond gums for each glass, so adjust the quantity accordingly. Soaked almond gums will be like this. I am going to make 2 glasses of Jigarthanda. For that I need half a liter of milk. We are going to reduce this to half of the quantity. Let us add a little sugar, around 2 teaspoons. The milk got reduced to half of its quantity. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of water. For the safer side, I am adding little water. If you want, you can avoid it. And we are going to caramelize the sugar. The sugar got caramelized and it is golden brown now. To this, we are going to add the thickened milk. Let us give this a nice mix. Caramelized sugar will give a nice color and flavor. You have to refrigerate this. Now take a bowl, add quarter cup of milk. To this add a teaspoon of sugar. Give a nice mix and refrigerate. Once both the milk are cool, we can start preparing the Jigarthanda. Here I am going to prepare 2 glasses of Jigarthanda. To each glass you have to add around 2 teaspoons of soaked almond gum. Next add 1 tablespoon of syrup in each glass. Here I am using nannari syrup. Both almond gum and nannari makes your body cool. To this add the reduced milk. Add little normal milk. Pour the rest of the reduced milk equally. Give everything a nice mix. And top the glasses with a scoop of ice cream. Finally, top this with few chopped almonds. Next, let us see how to do ice apple sarbath. For the recipe, we need around 6 to 8 tender ice apples. Mash everything well, but don't use a mixie jar. If you use a mixie jar, this will become a paste. Let us transfer this into another bowl. To this add 3 to 4 tablespoons of nannari syrup and around 3 cups of water. If you want, you can squeeze half a lemon into this, but that is optional. Give a nice mix. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. Refrigerate this before serving. You can also add few ice cubes. The nannari ice apple sarbath is ready. Next we are going to see nannari soda, a quick and easy to make drink and will taste so good. For a cup of this drink we need juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of nannari syrup and approximately 3 by 4 cup of soda. The soda has to be chilled. Just pour the soda, don't mix it. Serve this immediately. Our nannari soda is ready. The next drink will be nannari milk. The flavor of saffron will be very nice for this milk, so let us soak a pinch of saffron in water for about 15 minutes. I am going to make 1 cup of nannari milk, so I am going to take 1 cup of milk. This is already boiled and refrigerated. Make sure the milk is chill. To this add 2 tablespoons of nannari syrup, 2 teaspoons of saffron water. Give a nice mix. Add few ice cubes before serving. The nannari milk is ready. Next we are going to see nannari tender coconut sarbath. We are going to make this sarbath with tender coconut water and we are not going to use any water at all. Take 2 cups of tender coconut water. To this add few chopped tender coconut. Add around 3 tablespoons of nannari syrup and give a nice mix. This is ready. Let us transfer this into the serving bowl. Serve this chill. It will taste so good. Let us move on to our next drink. We are going to use almond gum for this. Take a teaspoon of chia seeds and soak this in water for about 10 minutes. And here is our soaked chia seeds. Other than this, we need nannari syrup and few mint leaves. Take a glass, add a teaspoon of chia seeds, a tablespoon of nannari syrup, 1.5 tablespoons of almond gum, few mint leaves, and a glass of water. Both nannari and almond syrup has its own health benefits. It is very good for health. And most importantly, it will make your body cool during the summer. Finally, we are going to make lemon juice mixed with almond gum. For this, take the required amount of syrup. I am using nannari syrup, lemon as per requirement and almond gum. Now take a glass and fill it with water. Add a teaspoon of almond gum, juice of half a lemon, a tablespoon of nannari syrup. Give everything a nice mix. And here our lemon juice is also ready. Hope you liked all the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.